So to begin our hat, you're gonna make a slip knot. And you're gonna chain 49. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I reach my 49, I'll be right back with you. Now I am at my 49 chains. We will be doing a single crochet in each chain from here to the end. So you're not gonna start in the chain here. You're gonna start in this one. So you will have a total of 48 single crochets. So you're gonna insert your hook in the second chain here from the one in the hook, pull up your yarn, yarn over, and pull through. Insert, pull up your yarn, yarn over, pull through. Insert, pull up your yarn, yarn over, pull through. Insert, pull up your yarn, yarn over, pull through. Insert, pull up your yarn, yarn over, pull through here. Insert, pull up your yarn, yarn over, pull through. So you're basically gonna do the same sequence until you reach to the end. When I'm at the end of my 48 stitches, I'll be right back with you. So now I am at the end of my first row, and this is what it looks like. You're gonna chain 1, turn your work, and you will be working in the back loop here. So you won't start from this loop, you will start from this one. So the one on the hook, not at all, you won't work in that. And the second one from the hook, you won't work in that one either. You will work in the third one here. So you're gonna insert your hook in the back, pull it up, yarn over, pull through. Insert, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through. Insert, pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through. Very easy. And you're just going to continue doing the same sequence. But when you reach to the end here, you're going to notice that your last loop will be hiding. So as you go up, your last loop will always be hiding. So you have to look for that last loop here and insert your hook there, because if you don't do that, what will happen is that instead of your work be as straight as how my finger is right now, it will go down like this. So to prevent that from happening, you have to go into your last loop, because it's gonna look like when you reach here, it's gonna look like there is none left, but you have to spin it over to see where it is. Okay, so I am going to finish this row, and then I'm going to start another one, and then I'll be with you. So now I am at the end of my second row. This is what it looks like. So if you notice what I was explaining earlier, the last stitch is now hiding. So spin your work over like this, and you will see that last one here. So you're going to insert your hook, pull it up, yarn over, and pull through. So now you are in the same line in here. Chain 1, turn your work, and you're going to begin the same thing. So the width of your hat should measure about 45 to 51 centimeter wide. That's actually like an average child head. So if you're making it for your daughter or your son, and your child head goes to 51, you can go to that length, and if it's in between, you go either 46, 47 in between there, or if you're stopping at 45, you can stop there also. But the total amount of these that you will have is 88. So that will fit an average child head. So you're gonna have 88 rows to complete your hat. So when I am at my 88 rows, I will meet you there and I will show you how to close your hat. So now I have come to the end of my hat, and I fold it in two, and this is what it looks like. So I have my 88 rows. So I have gone ahead and I cut my yarn off. Make sure when you're cutting your yarn, you have a generous amount so that you can sew down here and then to close the top of the hat here. So to begin, you are going to go in both top loops here, and you're going to start in the back loops on this side. So all the back loops you will be going into. So I'm going over, so you're just going to continue sewing your two loops on this side and the back loops of the other side. So when I am done closing this part, I will meet you at the end of this here. Now I am at the end of stitching my rib here, and this is how it looks. You can hardly see where it was stitched. So that's where it was stitched there. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna go in the top, extreme top here of your hat, and you're gonna go you're gonna do like a box stitch. So you're just gonna go in and out, in and out, right around until you reach to the end of your string here. And what I will show you what to do next when I am done that part. So now I am at the end where this tail is. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pull, you're just gonna tug on it. Take your time because you don't want to break your yarn, and you're just gonna tug until you form it into a hole. And then when you're done putting it into a hole, you're going to tie this piece with this one, and then you can just use your needle and sew the top up. Then we're gonna turn our hat over, and then we're gonna attach the pom-pom to it. So just continue pulling and pulling, tugging on it. You can put your finger in also. So now I am at my desired amount of pulling there. So I'm just gonna tie it. and then I'm going to give it another tie. So I'm just going to continue putting some sew in the top here just to close it off completely. And then when I'm going to attach my pom-pom, I'll be right back with you. So now that I am through sewing the top whole ear up, I have gotten it all closed, and this is how my hat looks. Very neat and tidy. As you know, guys, I am always about neat and tidy. So I'm just gonna attach my pom-pom on the top here, which I already made. This is what it looks like. So it's well matching with the scarf. So I'm just gonna put a needle here, and I'm basically just gonna sew my pom-pom down. So when I'm through sewing my pom-pom down, I'll be right back with you to show you the finished look of our hat. So guys, I have now come to the end of making my hat, and this is what it looks like. It's very stretchy, it's very plush, soft, and just cozy. It has a beautiful pom-pom on the top. You can see the inside. It's very nice. It's all neat and tidy, and you know that I am always about neat and tidiness of my work. And now you have your scarf to go with that. It is looking wonderful. Such a lovely set. This will look so beautiful on a little girl. Guys, if you like this tutorial, please do give this video a like. Also share this video, guys, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I post a new video. Thanks so much again for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye.